you ready to stop renting and purchase a home of your own? This beautiful Fort Worth house offers a spacious kitchen with an abundance of storage. A lovely living area complete with a cozy fireplace and rich flooring throughout the entire house. Your master suite features a garden tub, and you'll be amazed at just how large your custom closet really is. With 4 bedrooms, the whole family will have a place to call their own. In this house, even the utility room is oversized. You're going to love the gigantic backyard that's perfect for all sorts of outdoor activities and quiet relaxation. This house is just waiting for someone like you